Normally on Friday nights at 6 p.m. Pacific time, Jed paints a painting and gives away to a random person watching the stream.
Here is the winner of this painting.
But this time, Friday Night Live happened to fall on February 12th, which was only a couple days away from Valentine's Day. We had to do something special.
Okay, so what I'm wondering, Peter, is, normally we would be going somewhere, but I'm wondering, it's Valentine's Day this week. So what if we did something like, what if we asked people, like, do they have somebody that they would love to see a painting for, like somebody special to them?
Yeah.
I don't know who it would be or whatever, but it'd be awesome to see like what happens.
It will. Yeah, we should. Let's give that a shot. I think it'd be cool.
Okay, I like that. So you build the forum, and I'll work on the stories.
Yeah, sounds good. I'll send you the link to the forum when I'm done building it. We can get started.
Our plan was formed and we started rolling.
Hey guys, Jed here. It is a beautiful day, and I want to paint something special for somebody that you love. So swipe up on this and tell me who you want it to go to, and give me your reasons why I should paint for your special somebody, and I'll do it this Friday. All right?
The submissions were rolling in and they were powerful. There were soaring highs and terrible lows.
I'm actually like tearing up as I'm reading why you would want me to paint for your loved one. Thanks for doing this. I appreciate seeing it, and it's gonna be hard for me to choose, but man, you guys, I hope that you guys still come out even if your painting isn't chosen. I hope that you come out because it's gonna be a special night, and I'm gonna make sure that I make it special for you.
Friday rolled around and we were ready to go.
And we have got a very special edition of Friday Night Live tonight. Not only are we going to do our normal thing, but we've got some special people with us for one thing, and we're giving away this painting to a very special person. So I've got my partner in crime with me, Mr. Peter.
Hey everybody, welcome to Friday Night Live. What's up?
All right. And
good to see you
not
all.
only is Peter with us, but we have got somebody who's very special to me. And I don't know if they've ever been on Friday Night Live before, maybe a brief time, but coming in tonight is my beautiful wife, Renee.
Hey Renee.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, Renee.
We got everybody here today. Now, just like our submissions, this Friday Night Live was full of highs.
So I just wanted to say I love you. You are the beauty that I am thankful I get to wake up to every day, the sunshine of my days. And I just wanted to say, as this is our Valentine's Day special, thank you for being my Valentine. Thank you for putting up with me all these years.
Aw, that's sweet, honey.
And lows. They said this is a picture of my 74-year-old brother's brother Bob Stallion, who he had and loved for 18 years. Cooper was a wonderful horse, very patient and gentle, unusual for a stallion. And my brother would load him up in a trailer and go to a center for handicapped children to get their first ride on a horse. Unfortunately, Cooper got very sick just 2 weeks ago, and my brother couldn't get a vet to come out on the weekend to the back country in Colorado where he lives. My brother was worried all night about him and tried to help him all night, but when he went out to the barn in the morning, Cooper had sadly passed away. This painting that they requested is for my brother. We lost 2 of the homes on our property this last September to the fires in California. My brother has worked so hard to try and make our property whole again. I so appreciate everything that he has done for me and my sister. My house burnt down and so did my mother's house. It will never be the same, or at least not in our lifetime. We were waiting for signs of life. I captured this picture one morning hiking up to my burned home site. I thought the light was so pretty coming through the trees even though the trunks were burned. We were all hoping for light at the end of this tragedy. Soon it was time to reveal who the painting was for and close out the evening.
Marla was, a girl. When she was a girl, suffered abuse at the hands of people that, you would not ever want to, think, oh, my family would, be hurtful to me. And yet that's what happened in her life. She suffered abuse and was, had to move away. And then other things happened to her where she was kind of taken advantage of, and hard things that just what we were talking about earlier, where, it's like, this is the kind of thing that there's no reason for this to exist in our world. There's no reason. Marla, when I hear your story, it breaks my heart, and it makes me think of my daughter Willow, and I think of how precious she is to me. I don't know how things happen. I don't know exactly what's happened in your story, but I just want you to know that I believe that there is a God who loves you incredibly. I think he looks at our lives and he doesn't see just the dark. He doesn't just see, oh, it's hopeless. He sees the beautiful thing that he's going to make. He sees the person that he created you to be, and he says, oh, she's so beautiful. Oh, she's so precious. Oh, I can't wait to create this beautiful, beautiful artwork with her life. So anyways, I hope that you feel love from us for whatever it's worth. I just want you to know that you're loved. I'm glad that you were able to be there with Andrea tonight, and I hope that it was meaningful, and I hope that you like this picture, and that you'll be able to put it in your house, and it will remind you that you're loved, you're valued, and we're just so glad that you were able to be with us tonight. So thank you so much.